Alright guys, a little update on the Trans Am. As you know, you have not seen this car in a little while, and for good reason, because it's not inspected, and that's because it would not pass inspection because no good headlights. And any of you 4th gen owners that know that, you got these ugly, hazy seal beam headlights that are garbage. And so, Sight Sounds Autostyling over here, Mr. Corey Sims, he's hard at work today. He's gonna go with these LED solutions. So, hopefully, that'll put us in compliance as much as this car can be compliant, and try and get us a little bit of road time on this thing, because it's been a minute. So, all right, brother, you've been hard at it here this morning. I think you've already got the first removal done, so now you're on the second side. So, kind of give us just like a real quick version of what a 4th gen owner is going to run into with this, because this isn't quite as easy as doing a Camaro. You got the Trans Am with the seal beam. So, what are you looking at here today?
Alrighty, so as you can see here, I'm taking apart the entire headlight assembly because our factory lights are sealed beam. Being sealed beam, if you have a headlight failure, you have to replace the entire housing, right? So if you pan over here to our aftermarket, we can check out what we've got going as far as the LED conversion. You will have to have an aftermarket housing that will accept an LED bulb.
Yep, and you've already got those in there, right?
These are in there,
cool.
Yes.
So one circumstance, I guess, we had to acquire the housing. You've got that, and then you've got a good bulb solution. You feel good. You've done these, so
Absolutely.
This is a good cutover.
Yeah, these are my 35 watt replacement LED bulbs here in those housings. They carry a 1-year warranty. And if you're here with me, you buy them from me. If we have a failure, I'll replace them for you.
Yeah, dude, that's the only way to go. So, and you're always Johnny on the spot with this stuff, and guarantee you work. So that's the one thing I value about the product and service you guys got. Obviously, it's good in quality, but you back it up too, and
Absolutely.
You're fast.
Try to be fast.
Yeah, this dude comes out, you blink, and he's already done and gone. So, gotta love that. I'm excited, man. Hopefully, we can finally get this stuff done and get the car on the road and drive it a little bit. I don't think we put a couple hundred miles on it in a couple of years, so definitely overdue on that.
Yeah, well, you're for sure be able to see at night now. That's what we want. So.
Right. And I guess you're gonna try and tackle the fogs as well?
Absolutely. Fog lights will be taken care of. That's gonna be phase 2.
Okay, super cool. And just similar bulb as far as wattage, 35s, or?
Yes, sir. Do a simple drop-in replacement. That way, if we do have a failure, we can service it and not have to buy a whole new housing or anything.
Yeah, for sure. No, I love it. Super cool. All right, man. So if somebody wanted to try and get a hold of you, if they want to consult and get something like this done, what's the best way to catch up with you?
Facebook page, Sight Sounds Autostyling, or of course, phone
Boom.
number here.
Flex on them. I love it.
Oh, yeah.
Super cool. And dude, you got a bomb Instagram page, dude. I love following you on Instagram. You always got super cool stuff there in addition to Facebook. So this guy is doing the deal. Anything you want, interior, exterior lighting, remote starts lighting, alarms. Hell, what is there anything you don't do?
No, not a lot I don't do.
This
guy
guy's
keep the business alive.
Yeah, he's just talented, man. If there's something that involves electrical in a vehicle or anything of that nature, he can do it for sure, guaranteed. So, Corey, thanks for the time today. We'll kind of check in with you throughout the install today and see how it turned out.
Thank you, guys.
Appreciate it, brother. All right, Mr. Sims has got us all wrapped up here, man. Got the LED goodness. I like that. Looks real fresh and clean, dude. Well, good job, my man. So, all in all, dude, you didn't have much more than an hour wrapped up in this. That was
about an hour.
Yeah,
over an hour.
Pretty straightforward. You got those in there. Got all 6 bulbs, and then man, it just looks clean, dude. Anything I'm missing? I mean, you knocked it out.
No, not at all. Just you're gonna take the project on yourself. Be ready for a little modification, but nothing too.
No. Highly recommend Sight Sounds Autostyling. Get you guys out here and have you take care of those 4th gen needs, because it's not just a plug and play solution. You had to do a little bit of work on there, but looks good, man. You actually got a good solid beam cast in there. Way better than those seal halogens. So thank you, sir. Get you on your road. I know you're stacked deep today. If you need anything, make sure you hit up Corey. He'll take care of you.
You love XXX YouTube videos, but you just hate the ads? you guys want to see the latest XXX YouTube content before all your buddies, if you want the best deals on the products and apparel that you guys love, then you need to be a XXX VIP. Just $19.95 a month, you get everything above, plus you get a distinguished XXX VIP pack. Just visit XXXmotorsports.com, get everything that you need right there.